Hi Beb, this is Ivy and welcome to my channel. Kukuha ka ba ng NBI clearance? For today's video, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step on how to schedule your NBI appointment online using their official website na clearance.nbi.gov.ph. If you are interested na malaman kung paano ito gawin, please keep watching until the end of this video. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, I invite you to please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong video gaya nito. Without any further ado, let's get started. So basically, kailangan nyo lang magpunta sa website ng NBI. Just type clearance.nbi.gov.ph. Sa mga nahihirapan na hanapin ang tamang website, ilalagay ko na lang ang link sa description box. Ang website ng NBI clearance appointment ay very convenient at user-friendly. Madaling sundan ang procedure. Sa homepage, may magpa-pop up na data privacy content, may English version, at Tagalog version. After reading, i-click ang I agree. Then, another prompt message for advisory. After reading, click close. We have two options on the right side ng homepage. In my previous video about NBI, ipinakita ko sa inyo kung paano ang NBI Clearance Online Renewal. Now, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-register para sa mga first-timer at sa mga nagre-renew ng NBI Clearance. Kung magre-renew ka pa lang ng NBI Clearance, dapat may copy ka na ng old NBI Clearance mo na issued from 2014 up to present. Itik mo lang itong yes and fill out the informations. Pero kung wala kang copy ng old NBI clearance mo or new applicant ka, itik mo lang itong no and fill out the information. Registered as new account ang gagawin natin. This option is ideal para sa mga new applicant at hindi makapag-process sa quick renewal dahil may kailangang i-update, i-change, i-correct, i-edit their personal information. In this option, personal appearance po ito sa NBI Clearance Office dahil kailangan ang inyong biometrics, photo capturing at signature. Now, input the details for gender, civil status, at birthday. Input the first name. Let's say David ang pangalan mo at may junior ka, so ang ilalagay mo dito ay David Jr. Middle name at surname. Sa mobile number, dapat ito ay active at dapat nasa tabi mo lang ang mobile phone mo dahil diyan magsisend ng OTP ang NBI. Next, email address. Ito ang gagamitin mo sa login para makapag-send ka ng appointment mo sa NBI. Then, set your password na madali mong matandaan. I-re-enter ulit yung password. Lastly, tick box sa Terms of Services. After reading, click Agree. Tick box sa I'm not a robot. Once form is filled out, press Sign Up button down below. A one-time PIN or OTP will be sent to your mobile number gaya nito. Ilagay ang 6-digit number ng tama and click Submit. Once you have submitted the correct OTP, you will be notified that your registration is complete. This means you are now registered. You may now proceed with the next step. The next thing to do now is to schedule your NBI appointment. Since you already have an account, just enter your email address and password na nilagay mo sa registration and press sign in. When you successfully log into your account, Application Information tab ang una niyong makikita at dapat kumpletuhin ng details dito. Pero kung sa account mo ay hindi ito nagpa-pop up, ay ayos lang. Pwede ka nang mag-proceed sa scheduling ng NBI appointment. Now, complete the details. After encoding, click Save Information. Dito sa profile preview, i-double check ang details kung tama ang lahat. Pero kung may kulang or maling information, i-tick mo lang itong X para makabalik ka sa editing tab. Then, i-click ulit ang Save Information. Kung okay na ang lahat ng details, click Submit. May notification dito sa itaas na Profile Successfully Saved. So ito na ang pinaka-homepage ng NBI account mo. Now, dito sa upper left side ng screen nyo, you will see the Apply for Clearance button and Edit Information button. If you want to change or edit your applicant information, click the Edit Information button. Now, proceed na tayo. I-click ang Apply for Clearance. May magpa-pop up na window asking for your valid ID. Ang purpose po nito ay ang NBI Clearance online website ay nagtatanong kung anong valid ID ang meron ka na dapat i-present sa araw ng iyong appointment. Sa type of ID, piliin lang ang valid ID na meron ka gaya ng PhilHealth ID at i-enter dito ang ID number ng valid ID mo. Reminder ko lang, Beb, bring this ID during your appointment. Then, click I agree. Another prompt message for important reminder, may English at Tagalog version nito. After reading, click Close. Next step, choose an NBI branch. To choose the NBI branch, dito sa drop-down arrow, piliin ang NBI branch that is near and convenient for you. Then, choose the date and time of your NBI appointment. Malaya kang pumili ng date and time na fit sa schedule mo. Gaya nitong nasa calendar, ang mga box na may blue ay ang mga available slots. Then, kapag may napansin kayong kulay red, ibig sabihin either holiday or close ang NBI branch. To set your NBI appointment schedule, i-click lang ang AM or PM button. Let's say September 6 in the afternoon. Then dito sa left side, makikita mo kung magkano ang NBI clearance, which is 130 pesos, same amount lang sa new applicant at renewal. At ito naman ang appointment schedule details. May reminder din ito na dapat bayaran within the day para ma-secure ang NBI schedule appointment mo. Next step, pay your NBI clearance fees. Click any of the payment options available, gaya ng bank over the counter, online bank, cash payments, EasyPay, 7-Eleven, Visa Mastercard, GCash, PayMaya, ShopeePay, at DragonPay app. But for me, I choose GCash and click this. Another prompt reminder message and click Proceed. Ito ang transaction summary and click Proceed to Payment. At ito naman ang reference number na gagamitin mo kapag magtransact ka ng payment including the system fee or service charge and click Accept. Check muna natin dito sa transactions kung ano ang status ng appointment natin. As you can see here, pending pa siya dahil hindi pa ako nagbabayad. At ito yung reference number na gagamitin ko for the payment sa GCash. After payment, ito na ang proof of payment ko. At i-check ulit natin sa transactions kung nag-reflect na yung payment ko. There you go, paid na. Take note lang, Beb, pwede nyo po itong i-print or i-screenshot para ipakita sa araw ng appointment mo. Dahil this will be also asked by the NBI clearance staff when you are processing your NBI clearance kapag nagpunta ka sa NBI branch. Last step, go to your chosen NBI office on your scheduled appointment date and claim your NBI clearance. These are the things you need for your appointment at NBI. NBI appointment reference number, payment slip or receipt, at valid ID na ginamit mo sa online scheduling. Ipakita mo lang ang reference number and payment receipt mo sa officer in charge. Kung wala kang kapangalan, you will be able to claim your NBI clearance in just a few minutes. So same day mo siyang makukuha. Otherwise, sasabihin sa iyo na bumalik ka after several days. Ito ay dahil may hit at kailangang i-verify ng NBI ang real identity mo. Mostly 1 week ang tinatagal nito. Anyway, bibigyan ka nila ng 2 copies of your NBI clearance, 1 for the official use, and 1 as your personal copy. Itabi mo lang ang personal copy for your records. Ang NBI clearance is valid only for 1 year. So I think that's it for this video. Sana nakatulong sa inyo at thank you so much sa wala niyong sawang pagsubaybay sa mga video ko. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga video ko gaya nito. Thank you and God bless. Follow for more!